Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the edge lighting style or edge lighting color on your Samsung One UI 8 version. By default, disable the edge lighting style or edge lighting effect on your device. When you receive the notification, you can see the edge lighting style on the edges of your Samsung device. So if you want to change this edge lighting style or edge lighting color, follow this tutorial. Open the app drawer on your One UI 8 version. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to notification. So scroll down, tap on notifications. Here you can find the notification pop-up style option. Tap on it on your device. Now here you can see the edge lighting effect in the brief and the details section. So select the any option you want to show notification on your device. Now tap on the edge lighting effect. Here you can see the edge lighting effect, edge lighting color or advanced setting. So first we see the list of all the edge lighting effect. By default set the none option. So you can see the only notification. Now tap on the basic option. Now here you can see how it looks when you receive the notification on your Samsung One UI 8 version. Now tap on a glitter. You can see the mix notification light. Tap on a heart. Now you can see the heart shape at the top middle when you receive the notification. Fireworks. You can see the fireworks, eclipse, echo, and the spotlight. So this is the all available edge lighting effect or edge lighting style on your device. You can also change the edge lighting color. By default set the auto color on your device, so you can select the color option on your device. Now here you can select the color you want to show when you receive the notification on your device. So select the color you want on your device, and in the advanced you can adjust the transparency and duration of the color or notification you set. So quite easy to change the edge lighting effect, edge lighting color or advanced. Just tap on a done option, and whenever you receive the notification you can see the edge lighting effect on your One UI 8 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.